Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.4, Problem 13. This is Section 2.4, Problem 13. It says multiply the fractions. We have 2/5 times 3/5 times 2/7. So we have three fractions to multiply together. So you multiply all the numerators together. So 2 times 3 times 2 will be the numerator of my answer. So 2 times 3 is 6. Then that result of 6 times 2 is 12. So my numerator is 12. Now in the bottom, we multiply the denominators together. 5 times 5 times 7. So 5 times 5 is 25. And then 25 times 7 is pretty big. It's 175. That's not something that everybody can do in their head very easily. So for 25 times 7, you can just take a second, go off to one side, and multiply 25 times 7 like this. 7 times 5 is 35. You write the 5, carry the 3 to the top of the next column. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 more is 17. So there's the 175, and that's our denominator. And again, that came from 5 times 5 times 7, multiplying the three denominators together. So now 12 over 175, does that reduce? The answer is no. That's a little tougher to see. So what divides into 12? 2 will go into 12. It will not go into 175 because 175 is not even. 3 goes into 12 because well, it does, I can see, but 1 plus 2 is 3, and if 3 goes into the sum of the digits, it'll go into the number itself. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 divides into 3 evenly, obviously, so it will divide into 12. How about the 175? Does 3 divide into 175 evenly? That's not as clear. Well, add the digits together and see what you get. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Does 3 divide into 13 evenly? It does not. So it will not divide into 175 evenly. And 6 divides into 12, but I know it won't divide into 175 because 2 and 3 won't divide in, so I don't even really have to divide out the 6. So none of the factors of 12 divide into 175. So I can see that 12 over 175 cannot be reduced, and that's the final answer.